Given that x equal to 4y plus 5 and y equal to kx plus 4 are the regression lines of x and y on x respectively. Show that 0 is less than or equal to k is less than or equal to 0.25. First, we have to take the given lines. Regression lines of x on y is equal to yb x equal to 4y plus 5, it is equal to first equation, and regression line of y on x b y is equal to kx plus 4 or the regression lines respectively. Here we can take, if x is equal to b a y plus b, then a is the regression coefficient. If y is equal to cx plus d, in this regression r is equal to regression coefficient r equal to c. And another form, we can take x minus x bar equal to r sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. In that, r into sigma x by sigma y is the, in that relation is what they have. Okay, here simply I am taking the using of the line equations, the regression coefficient of 1 is r is equal to 4. Regression coefficient of 2 equation is r equal to k. Squaring on both sides or taking the product, r into r is equal to 4 into k. So r square equal to 4k, r equal to plus or minus, or here simply we can take r equal to under root of 4k. We know that the regression coefficient lies in between of minus 1 is less than or equal to r is less than or equal to plus 1. From this, squaring on both sides, simply it is 0 is less than or equal to r square is less than or equal to 1. Why? Because minus 1 whole square is also 1 square. And we can substitute here 0 is less than or equal to, why we are taking r square means they are asking show that 0 is less than or equal to k is less than or equal to 0.25. In that case, if we can take, it is under root will come. So in the place of r square, we can write it as 4k is less than or equal to 1. The whole equation is divides with 4. Then it is 0 is less than or equal to k is less than or equal to 1 by 4. It is equal to 0.25. Therefore, 0 is less than or equal to k is less than or equal to 0.25 is the relation we have shown from the given two regression lines x on y and y on x. From that we can take the coefficient, regression coefficient. Second problem, if x equal to 2y plus 3y equal to kx plus 6 are the regression lines of x on y and y on x respectively, we can show that 0 is less than or equal to k is less than or equal to 1 by 2. If k equal to 1 by 8, find regression coefficient and means. First, we can take the given equations x equal to 2y plus 3. From this, the coefficient, regression coefficient r is equal to 2. It is equal to sigma y by sigma x by sigma y. And y is equal to kx plus 6. From this, the regression coefficient r is equal to k, and it can be written as r sigma x by sigma y is equal to 2, or r sigma y by sigma x is also k, and product of above 2, r into r equal to 2 into k, that is equal to 2k, r square equal to 2k. We know that the coefficient of regression lies in between of minus 1 is less than or equal to r is less than or equal to 1. From this, 0 is less than or equal to r is r square is less than or equal to 1. So 0 is less than or equal to 2k is less than or equal to 1. So 0 is less than or equal to k is less than or equal to 1 by 2. The first case is shown. The second one is if k is equal to 1 by 8, then what is x? X is equal to 2y plus 3 and y is equal to 1 by 8 x plus 6. From this 8y equal to x plus 48. 8 6 are 48. Let it be equation 1, it is equation 2. So x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. X minus, x minus 2y equal to 3. X minus 8y is equal to minus 48. Subtract from one to another, minus plus plus, it's cancel. From this 6y is equal to 51. So y equal to 51 by 6, 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 17 by 2. Y bar equal to 17 by 2. Substitute in equation 1. X equal to 2 into 17 by 2 plus 3. 2 get cancelled. It's 20. X equal to 20. Therefore, x equal to 20. X bar is the mean. Y bar is equal to 17 by 2. Are the means. And the regression coefficient, no. If the regression coefficient means we are taking y is equal to, taking the equations, x equal to 2y plus 3, y is equal to 1 by x plus 6. Here we can take coefficient, regression coefficient is 2, here regression coefficient is 1 by 8. We are taking like that. Okay, from this we can taking as y is equal to x by 2. Here for the x equal to 2y plus 3, regression coefficient is r equal to 2. This is equal to sigma x by sigma y. And here the regression coefficient is 1 by 8. It is also regression coefficient sigma y by sigma x. Both we can product r square is equal to 2 into 1 by 8, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So r equal to under root of 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. So here regression coefficient is r equal to 1 by 2, mean equal to 20, and mean of x and y, x equal to 20, y equal to 17 by 2. These are the values from the given equations of the regression lines. How to find out means just solving of that.